Hello, parents. Please try to understand that when we are expecting the child to speak in sentences, if we have only taught nouns to the child, if you have only taught a vocabulary related to nouns to the child, so we cannot expect the child to speak in sentences, because to be able to speak in a proper sentence, apart from the vocabulary, like apart from the nouns, he need to have a vocabulary of other components of language as well. Okay, so like language, in language, like there are first is nouns, that if you have taught, then try to focus on teaching other components like verbs. Okay, also if the child is knowing the verbs, try to teach the connecting words, which will help child fill the gaps in between. Like for example, if the child is just saying boy eating, so if we expect the child, if we want the child to say it in a full sentence, then we will have to teach them the connecting words, so that that gaps are filled in, and the child will say the the words, the connecting words, like the is boy, the boy is drinking water. Okay, so things will not work if you've only taught him water, boy, drinking. Okay, so you will have to teach them the other components, you will have to teach them the the connecting words, you will have to teach them the prepositions, so that the child will be able to frame a proper sentence, a fully functional sentence. Okay, so according to your child's level, please set your language goals and then work according to the goals.